The Tesla semi-truck is the most important Tesla vehicle from a logistics point of view. At this point, the fact that Tesla is boldly entering the transportation market with its semi-truck shouldn't be groundbreaking news. Elon Musk plans to leave no stone unturned to his quest to improve industries. He does this just by producing future-oriented automobiles that are more technologically advanced and efficient, but also by building the factories that create such cars. A manufacturing facility the size of 138 football fields and hiking and biking trails along the boardwalk create an ecological oasis of butterflies, stream fish, and tree birds. The Tesla Semi is a battery-powered, all-electric Class 8 semi-truck. Two concept cars were unveiled in November 2017, with production beginning in October 2022. The truck's upgraded batteries would allow it to travel 400 miles or 640 kilometers after receiving an 80% charge in 30 minutes from a solar-powered Tesla Mega Charger charging station. The truck would have a range of 500 miles or 805 kilometers on a full charge. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said the Semi would come standard with Tesla Autopilot, which allows semi-autonomous driving on highways. At a press conference in November 2017, Elon Musk also said his company would run on solar energy, charging the truck's battery with enough power to drive 400 miles or 640 kilometers in 30 minutes. He said to build his network of megachargers globally. The semi-truck was first mentioned in his 2016 master plan for Tesla. At the time of announcement, Tesla claimed to have working prototypes using several Model 3 electric motors. Jerome Gillen became head of development of the Tesla semi-truck in April 2017. Previously, he was responsible for Freightliner's Class 8 diesel-powered Cascadia semi-truck before joining Tesla, where he configured the Model S production line. He left the Semi program to oversee one of the Model 3 general assembly lines a year later and was named president of Tesla's automotive division in September 2018. Tesla then began evaluating potential sites in 8 states and the central United States in 2019 and 2020. Planned as a large-scale manufacturing facility, the Tesla Gigafactory has attracted interest from many local and governmental organizations across the United States. Others express interest in lowering regulatory barriers, simplifying the land buying process, and considering tax incentives. Some use social media marketing to communicate directly with Elon Musk. As of May 2020, Tesla was in the middle of the hiring process. Tesla is expected to start mass production in late 2021 and reach capacity in 2022. Austin, Texas, Nashville, Tennessee, and Tulsa, Oklahoma were considered, and Tesla moved to his 2 locations in the Tulsa area by mid-May. Austin was chosen by Tesla as the location for July 2020. Upon completion, the Texas Gigafactory will be the world's largest lithium-ion battery manufacturing facility and will be located near Austin, Texas. The plant will produce the Tesla Cybertruck and Tesla Semi, as well as Model 3 and Model Y vehicles for the eastern United States. Coinciding with its second quarter earnings release, Tesla released 4 images of its gigantic car factory. Construction began east of Austin on July 26 last year. Photos taken inside and outside the so-called Gigafactory Texas show the construction floor plan with many workers. Construction at the facility is nearing completion. Tesla's plans for 280 acres of his 2,100-acre estate, which he purchased for $97 million, initially detailed in a Texas government report, are still in the works. The design included a rectangular manufacturing facility just east of Texas Route 130. These facilities extend near Harold Green Road north of the Colorado River. The complex will cover 7.9 million square feet or 138 football fields including parking. Neither a Tesla spokesperson nor Elon Musk has commented on the matter, so it's still being determined what he will do with the 1,800 acres of land that Tesla still has available. Wedbush Securities analyst Daniel Ives stated that Tesla anticipated performing additional work at that location. However, he issued a warning noting that the business has a reputation for keeping its goals secret. As Ives stated, this is becoming much more than a typical factory. It's about more than just a factory. It appears that the extra space was kept to test their massive semi-trucks in the open. Ives claimed that Tesla will also require a test driving facility. After the initial 280 acres of development, there is still a significant amount of timber to be cut, he claimed. Meanwhile, the utilities that Elon Musk highlighted when he announced plans to build a facility here in July appeared not to have been included in the site design submitted to the city. It could be, but Elon Musk promised to turn it into a great factory. It's on the Colorado River, so they plan to build a boardwalk with hiking and biking trails. Birds, butterflies, fish, and other animals swim in the creek, making it an ecological paradise. Moreover, anyone can access it. It's not just limited to Tesla customers. This is how he described the public institutions mentioned. At least $60 million in tax credits will be provided by Travis County and the Del Valle school system to help attract businesses. The state did not give the company any financial incentives to build a facility employing 5,000 people. Tesla currently produces 70% of its vehicle in Fremont, California, with the remaining 30% at its Chinese factory, which opened in late 2020. In addition to the Austin factory, Tesla is currently building an assembly plant in Germany. Now that you know everything there is to know about the plant, let's take a quick look at what's known about Tesla's semi-truck. In the middle of 2017, researchers at Carnegie Mellon College of Engineering conducted a theoretical examination of electric semi-trucks in response to Elon Musk's statement about Tesla's work on a heavy-duty, long-range semi-truck in a presentation in April 2017. The study determined the weights and driving ranges of an electric semi based on current battery technology and released its finding in June 2017. According to the calculations, an electric semi might be feasible for short or medium-distance hauling, but not for long-distance hauling, since the weight of the required batteries would exceed the weight allowed by law. According to one estimate, the battery would weigh 11,800 kilograms, roughly one-third of the payload, raising the truck's capital cost to nearly twice that of a diesel-powered counterpart. Others have questioned the production spec payload capacity of Class 8 heavy trucks. However, the Impact Report 2020 claims that the Semi's payload capacity would be greater due to higher weight limits for electric semi-trucks in the US and the EU. Electric semi-trucks can already carry a load 2 tons heavier than their diesel counterparts in the EU. Electric semi-trucks in the United States can carry 0.9 tons more payload than diesel semi-trucks. According to the research, we anticipate the payload to be at least as high as it would be for a diesel truck because both the US and EU have allowed a larger weight allowance for heavy-duty electric vehicles. For the past few years, Tesla has made significant strides in the field of battery technology. As a result, the Tesla Semi's truck capacity will also be boosted by this. The EV maker claims that its 4,680 battery cells are a significant advance over those used to date. In terms of energy density, these battery cells have many advantages. This will allow EVs to carry more cargo and have longer battery life thanks to the lighter 4,680 battery pack. According to the Tesla Impact Report, this truck can travel over 804 kilometers on a single charge. Additionally, it states that the Tesla semi-truck would have an efficiency of more than 0.8 kilometers per kilowatt-hour, thanks to its powerful electric drivetrain and aerodynamics. We should carefully consider the implications of this choice given that Tesla is making a significant investment in a facility to produce an electric truck that has not yet proven its viability in the auto industry. It's unusual for a newcomer to the automotive industry to spend $2.4 billion on a factory this size. However, the Semi's future looks bright, so it's understandable why Tesla believed the program could help the vital trucking industry switch to zero emissions. Environmental activists will actively view Tesla in a more favorable light because of this, which will be seen as a significant technological achievement and a victory for them. That is our video for today. We hope you like it. What do you think of the Tesla Semi and its gigafactories? Share all of your thoughts with us in the comments section below. Well, that's all for now. This is Big Tech Media. See you again tomorrow. Keep in mind to like, share, and subscribe.